Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading data from the Pipedrive CRM system to Discord. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from Pipedrive to other systems. For example, in Discord you can send message about new deals in Pipedrive and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Select Pipedrive as the data source system. Next, you need to select an action, Get Deals New. At this point, you need to connect your Pipedrive account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the domain and API key. In order to get this data, you need to go to your Pipedrive account. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that the domain must be copied without additional characters. Then paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. Now you need to specify the API key. We return to the Pipedrive system. Go to the Personal Preferences section on the API tab. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Pipedrive system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for your transaction from Pipedrive. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Pipedrive data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Discord as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Message. At this stage, you need to connect your Discord account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. At this stage, you must specify the server to which you want to transfer data. Leave all permissions checked and click Authorize to give ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Discord. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you first need to specify the channel. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Pipedrive. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. Please note that you can specify the sender bot name from which messages will be sent. And also you can specify a direct link to the image that will be used as sender bot avatar. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Discord. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Discord. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.